turning a tennis court into a pickleball court. Next, we run a string line between the two posts and drive in 3 posts through the asphalt.
Now we have to frame it out and mesh it up.
We're gonna finish tying it, then we gotta put another layer of mesh on this side. It's new. City want double it up just for safety, so if somebody backs into the fence, it's not gonna hurt as much. Oh no! I think Ethan underestimated. We're short about, I don't know, 6 feet, 8 feet, 5-foot industrial. Goodbye. Thank you, sir.